In this video, let's talk about on how to fix TikTok analytics not showing. So if you're having issues viewing the TikTok analytics for a particular video or for your total account in general, in this video, let me show the way on how you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that if your account is set to private, in this situation, you would not be able to get any sort of analytics. So what you need to do is make sure that your account is not set to private. What you need to do is just head over to the private account and make sure that this is on toggled. If this is toggle on for you, just like this, you just need to untoggle it. And once you do this step and once you now post videos, you should be able to see your analytics being displayed. Now, this is not the case for you. This might also be case of the data synchronization, meaning if you just posted a video and you're not being able to see any sort of analytics, make sure you wait out at least 24 to 48 hours so that you can get proper data. Now, even after doing both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This likely could be the app cache issue or the app bug issue. So what you can try out first of all is head over to the three lines, head over to settings, scroll down, head over to free up space, and right here you'd be able to see the option called clear cache. Just tap on the clear option and then tap on clear again. What this does is it removes any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue. Apart from this, what you can also try out is uninstall TikTok from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version of the application and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. Now, even after doing all of these steps, you're still having issues with it. This likely means that the platform is out right now or TikTok may be down right now. In this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.